It's actually quite difficult to pitch a VC. We all have pretty much the same business model. So we bet on a large number of startup companies and we get returns from a few of them. We have the same market, the entrepreneurs, you are the market. So if I had to convince you that Aster is a relevant partner for your next venture, I would actually talk about the product, what we bring beyond money. And before talking about the product, let's be clear about our customer focus. So at Aster, we are passionate about traditional sectors. We are passionate about entrepreneurs building transformational companies to reshape sectors like energy, mobility, everything from personal mobility to logistics, manufacturing. So when you talk about robotics, industrial IoT, additive manufacturing, maybe blockchain, that's the kind of things that we are interested in. So you might ask yourself, like, am I at the right stage to receive funding from Aster? We are stage agnostic, so we invest in seed, Series A, and Series B companies. Minimum ticket is around 400K, so it means that we don't invest in founders that have a brilliant idea. We invest in founders that have brilliant ideas and are really convinced that they will get significant revenues in the next 18 months. We invest globally, so we have two main offices in Paris and San Francisco. So from Paris we cover the whole Europe, and from San Francisco we cover the US. You can see that we have like separate locations, which corresponds to dedicated funds in China and in Africa. And to give you like really a full picture and clear picture of Aster, we are a pure financial fund, but we are actually well connected with the industrial companies. Some of them are actually our investors, like Schneider Electric, Alstom, Solvay, Plastic Omnium, and we have also some financial investors like the European Investment Fund. So let's come back to the product. We've been thinking for like the last 12 months about the right structure to be really a growth accelerator for your business, and it's called the Hub. So we put together a team of people with diverse experiences, from analytics to marketing or finance. These people have a great network in the industry. First, they can help you in your day-to-day business. Second, they organize great events with our industrial network. So for example, in a couple of days, we'll have 3 of our portfolio companies presenting in front of 700 customers of one of our industrial partners in Hong Kong, and they will be on stage between Salesforce and Cisco. So it's quite a big boost for their visibility. We can also share market expertise with you. So if you follow us on Medium or on LinkedIn, you can actually see a few examples of our investment thesis, and that's typically the kind of things that we try to bring to our startup companies. And so we've been doing that for close to 15 years. We started the journey in 2000. We invested in a bit more than 50 companies. We started from France. We went to the US. We set up a dedicated fund in China, a dedicated fund in Africa, and we're actually opening the next chapter. So it's still a bit confidential, but we will announce in a couple of days the closing of our new fund, which will be above 200 million. So which is great news. We've invested in some companies that you may know, FinalCAD in the construction tech sector, Equator, which is an energy retailer in France, Digital Lumens, which was recently exited to Osram. And so we're actively looking for new names on the slide. So if you are interested by the model, if you want to discuss ideas, and if you want to have your name on this slide, don't hesitate to come and see me at the cocktail. Thank you.